Hey folks, Richard Joe back here again. CXL optimized or certified optimizer. Today I just want to talk about a bit more about what I was talking about yesterday, and I used the analogy of why BJJ or why going to BJJ is kind of like a similar process like CRO. And to be honest with you, it was just sort of a tongue-in-cheek sort of thing, but I just tried to make things relatable. But just like anything in life, if the success formula is quite often the same, like you've got the frequency of how often you do something multiplied by the quality or the chance of, in this case of CRO, the chance of test winning. So that's really got to do with like quality research and putting in time and effort into something. And, it's really just a transferable sort of formula across most habits and things in life, really, when it comes to health, eating, going to the gym, those sort of things. And yeah, so just sort of, chances and that sort of stuff in CRO, like how can you improve your probability of the test winning? It really comes down to putting a lot of effort into your research, and I would put the 80-20 of my effort into actually doing good quality qualitative and quantitative research, and really synthesizing those two elements there and figuring out like what's really happening on your site and within your funnel, and why is it happening. Like, do you have heat maps and scroll maps and recordings showing why users might be getting frustrated? Have you done any moderated user testing? The why is actually just as important as the what. It's good to get that information, and really synthesize your information. And then you got like design, how long it takes to do your Figma designs and resource allocate those sort of things with the designers. And you got coding or dev time, and pre and post test analysis and meetings with clients or meeting with your stakeholders. All these things takes time, but they do add, like when you do these things and do them well, that increases your chances of coming up with winning test ideas, because you get quality information, the problems in depth. And then you have frequency. It's really like how often you do the test, and it's very easy to be caught up in a common bottleneck is to be caught up in the test and thinking about ideas and not really going beyond that. So you just want to talk to your stakeholders. Thanks.